Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to apply paint format Google Docs. Open the Google Doc, select the desired text and apply the formatting you need, colors, highlighting, bold, etc. Now select the text you edited. When you do it, click on the option Paint Format. Then select some other text and you will see that this paint format will be applied. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.